Today we're doing a turkey. Today we did a fried turkey. We fried this turkey indoors. And let me tell you something. Boy, was it juicy. Every day cooking, Dad. Cooking every day. All right. So we used this Kinder's brine kit. I was going to make up my own brine, and I walked through the supermarket and I saw that. I said, why not? All right, so you have to pour the brine mix in, bring it up to a slight boil, and this is what you get when you're done. All right, so we're going to take the brine out of this pot, and we're going to transfer it to a bowl, and then put the bag that we're going to brine the turkey in this pot. You know, so we don't have any disasters when we get home and there's brine, you know, all over the refrigerator. So the bag comes with the kit, and it looks like it'll hold a pretty big turkey. It's in a very thick bag too, so it doesn't look like it'll get punctured easy. But in we go. We have about a 14-pound turkey. Yeah, and we're going to be deep frying this indoors in our butterball electric fryer. I bought that a couple of years ago. I've used it the last 2 or 3, maybe even 4 years now. Last few times I made a turkey, I deep fried it. Now it went up as high as I possibly can, and now we're gonna close this bag up. Now it did come with a zip tie. I'd lost it, I couldn't find it. So what I did was I went and got some kitchen twine and tied it up tight. And now this is going in the refrigerator for 24 hours. I think it's a complete must to brine a turkey, especially if you're deep frying it. I've tried injecting. The oil becomes no good. So I usually just brine the turkey and then we head for the deep fryer. So I'm just going to massage just a little bit. And get the little seasonings all over. All right, so it's the next day, and this is our butterball deep fryer. It's electric. Now I'm not using peanut oil. I'm using vegetable oil because this fryer only goes up to 375. So at 375, we're not burning vegetable oil. Vegetable oil's burn point is about 400. You know, peanut oil is like 500. So when you're outside, you know, that gets really hot. And, you know, a bigger bird, you want to cook that 450. So we're going to let this go until the green light pops on where it says ready. So at this point, I left the bird sitting out for about 30 minutes, 45 minutes to come to the temperature of the room temperature. I probably shouldn't have put this oil, avocado oil, on the bird. That might have been a mistake. But hey, we did it. Came out good anyway. So I put the paper towel inside just to make sure we caught any moisture, because you don't want to put a wet bird in the electric fryer. That's a bad combination. So on we go with our Creole seasoning. Let's get that everywhere, and then now inside the basket. Now I left the little thing skin they use to hold the turkey legs together, and now slowly drop that in, nice and slow, little by little, little by little, and all the way in. And guys, we're going about 3 minutes, 4 minutes per pound. So we'll see you in about 40 minutes, 45 minutes. All right, through the magic of time, we're here. We're done. We got a turkey. Guys, this is so incredibly easy, and it comes out good. Nice and juicy. Excuse the arm, but you gotta be careful. And guys, this is what we got. Now you see the oil inside the bird there? You gotta be careful when you take it out. Make sure that drains before you pull it out. So now we're gonna butcher this up. I usually get the leg off. This thing is still hot. We did let it rest for about 10 minutes before we cut into it. And we cooked the breast to 165 and the thigh to 175. Guys, I didn't show it on camera, so it's a must. Make sure you check the temperature of your bird. But guys, what kind of family are you? Are you the dad stands up and starts to carve the turkey and what piece do you want? What piece do I want? Or do you go ahead, carve it up ahead of time, put it out and let everybody go grab what they want? Hit me up. Let me know. All right, guys, hit me up with a like if you think I'm doing a good job here. As this turkey came out juicy. I mean, every piece was juicy. It was delicious. Deep frying a turkey is the way to go. And with this indoor fryer, you can fry in the projects, you can fry in your house, you can fry in your condo, you can fry in your townhouse. You ain't got no excuses. You can deep fry. You can even deep fry chicken. Every day cooking, dad, cooking every day.